I am not feeling well today. As a real estate agent, I just can't be going out showing houses while I am coughing and have some kind of discomfort. What I am going to do is to share my recipe. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to make a quick home remedy. I'm having a sore throat. I'm not sure if you can tell from my voice. I'm having a sore throat, my nose is running, I'm coughing a little bit, and you know kids go to school, kids go places, kids come back and always bring germs. So anyway, when it comes, we have to heal it. And for me, taking care of any discomfort comes from deep within and not just outside medicine. Anyways, what I'm going to do is to do a home remedy that we always do back home to treat and to heal from cough, sore throat, flu, and other good stuff, runny nose. So I'm going to take you along with me, so come join me. We need to do some grocery shopping, all right? We need to do some grocery shopping, buy the rest of the ingredient that I do not have in the house. So let's go together.
Usually I don't post.
Hi.
I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out.
All right, family, I did do my grocery. I bought before I go ahead and do the recipe. I called a family member, and as soon as she heard my voice, she was like, "Why you sound like a man today?" You know, because my voice is completely not mine. It's so strong, you know, not feminine at all. But anyway, it's because of the cold, and if you can tell, my voice is not the way it's supposed to be. But that is all good because I am going to do the home remedy, and in that case, I hope this video is going to help anybody that might have any kind of discomfort. So yeah, let's go ahead and make the remedy. Be sure to avoid anything that causes acid reflux, such as alcohol. Especially if you drink alcohol, please don't. All right, chocolate, caffeine, carbonated drink, all of that, put it aside. Honey, the second thing you are going to do is to drink at least about 6 to 8 cups of water. Yes, water helps you clean and push everything out. You will be going to the restroom a lot, and that's the goal, because whatever that is stuck around here, sitting around here, you want to wash it off so you can all let it out. The best is not the last, is what I am about to do right now, and that is going to be the home remedy. So I bought all the ingredients. Let me share that with you. This is exactly what I will need for this recipe, and what we have here is some honey. We have some black seed, some lemon, garlic, and ginger. All right, y'all, I have everything prepared, cut, ready to do. Lasagna?
Yes.
Okay. Oil. The consistency you want will depend on what you actually prefer. If you want it to be very thick like a syrup, you can add some more honey on it. And use it with less lemon. But for me, this is actually perfect. This is how I like mine. Okay, let's try it, Amir.
Okay.
Home remedy is ready. Put it up in your mouth. Amir, is it good or not?
It's both.
It's both?
Yes.
Alright, I had to rinse off the spoon. Mine is ready. Because once you put the spoon in your mouth, I don't think it will be a good idea for you to put that back in your mouth anyway. So This is not what they call heaven on earth. As a matter of fact, you can even drink this as a juice if you want, but you can add some water to it and drink it through the day. I used to do that, but I stopped actually doing that. However, this is perfect for home remedy to heal yourself and help yourself. So anyway, I will go ahead and cook something for my babe. See you in the next video. Thank you. I hope you found that helpful. And before I go ahead and subscribe for more of me and more videos. You can store this in the fridge, all right? You can go back and have it as much as you want. It's just natural, it's organic. It doesn't have to have any kind of limits, all right? Anytime you feel like every 2 hours, like every 30 minutes, up to you. Anytime you feel like the coffee is a little bit too heavy, you can handle it, or you can sleep through the night, just go ahead and just take a spoon of it. As a matter of fact, this is from me to you. I will even advise you to have this in your fridge. See that this is also good to boost your immune system, all right? So not only cough and discomfort, but to boost your immune system, this is perfect, all right? So thank you very much. I will stay home. I won't be going out to show any houses. I will focus more on doing more paperwork, more admin, contract, and all that stuff, because nobody wants a coffee realtor, yeah? Anyway, thank you very much, guys.